people, so come along with me as I make my friend a DIY treasure chest. So about a couple months back, I actually chose the centerpiece gift, and I usually take one special gift and then surround it with a whole bunch of goodies. So in this one, I will be using a cool new take on a do-rag. It's like a velvet do-rag with a gold clip, and my friend loves do-rags. So I wipe down everything with alcohol, and I spray the box with perfume. So after I neatly pack all my little goodies, I go ahead and get my letters out. I bought some really pretty special letters, and I'm going to actually spell his nickname out on the front and then put treasure chest after it. So it'll be like my friend's name and then like his treasure chest. And so that's what I'm doing here. And I'm just measuring it with the card envelope. For the card, I'm deciding to write out 21 different solid moments of our friendship in celebration of his 21st birthday. In addition to his treasure chest, I am also taking him to Miami. So we're going to go to this restaurant called Bacon Bee, and this is my outfit of the day.
Either you're bluffing or you just don't care. You could be bluffing or I could be nothing at all. Nothing there. Maybe there's nothing there. You just don't care. Either there's something or there's nothing there. Lately I don't feel the same. I ain't your baby father, I ain't your one and only. But you love to scream my name. And I done taught you things in exchange for constant pain. You let me on and on and on. You could be bluffing, or I could be nothing at all. All he do is beat you down, but you stick around. Any woman could so hard if I was there.